Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create glass texture effect in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions and black color to it. Go to the File menu, place Embedded, select your image and click on Place. Go to the Rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle shape. And round its corners a little bit. Hold the Control key and click on the layer icon. Hide this layer, select the image layer and add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Select the down layer, right-click on it, and delete the layer mask. Right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu and Filter Gallery. Select the glass filter. Add another glass effect with these settings. And hit OK. Open the blending options. Add stroke to it, follow my settings. Then add in a glow to it. Then color overlay to it. And lastly, add the drop shadow to it with these settings. And hit OK. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.